Leo, we need your help. There's a fire in the Greenwood Forest, and it's spreading quickly.
We've got to act fast.
The flames are getting bigger!
We need to stop the fire from spreading. Now, let's put out this fire. On my count, Dumpy, open the valves.
Here goes nothing. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
We're so close. The fire is gone, but the forest needs us now more than ever. It's time to rebuild and help the forest.
Look, the animals are coming back. They're returning to their homes.
Great job today, everyone. But we need to make sure we continue taking care of the forest. This is just the beginning.
Every challenge we've faced, we've overcome by working together. That's the real lesson here. It's not just about what we...
Now that the forest is safe, we need to make sure it stays healthy. We can't just plant trees and leave them to grow on their own.
Look at this place now. It's thriving. All the trees we planted are growing strong.
It's incredible! All right, everyone. Now that we've made the forest strong again, we need to make sure it stays strong.
Look at how far we've come. The forest is alive again, and the whole community is working together to protect it.